Human evolution. As we have discussed earlier, human beings and great apes are closely related species. These had a common ancestor a long time ago. Even in human beings, there occurs a great diversity in form and features across the globe. For a long time, we used to consider these human forms as human races. On the basis of time dating, study of fossils, and molecular phylogeny involving DNA sequences, it is now clear that all human beings belong to single Homo sapiens. Also, the earlier members of Homo sapiens have been traced back to Africa. Some of our ancestors stayed back in Africa and spread across this continent. Others left Africa and slowly spread across planet over a period of time. These groups of ancestors, like other species, lived their lives in the prevailing environment and developed genetic variation to become different colored with specific features in different geographical regions.